Hi guys, this is Yolanda. I am part of D Domination, and I want to bring a video out today to show you how to upload your images to Image Scrambler in your back office. Now, first off, I know some people have problems in getting their image up because they get error messages when they use the Scrambler. It's a very simple step, and you can find the training right here under your Pro and how to do it, but I think a lot of people are missing it, so I wanted to bring this short video to show you. Okay, so first off, we're going to go and pretend we're going to do a listing, and we're going to work on our images. So I'm going to go over to Amazon right here, and I already got the page open ready. And I've selected this file already. So the way you do it, you just basically right click on the image, okay, and you're gonna save. Now you have save link, but you want to saved image as is what you're looking for, okay. And when you do that, I've already got this on my computer, so I'm not going to save it again. It'll going to bring you over to your computer files, and you're going to name that picture that you just selected, okay. And let's come over on this side. I've already got it there, so I'm not going to do it again. And there's the image right there. I named it backlist canister vacuum. And when you name in your files, you want to make sure that you have a dash in between each word, okay. There's explanation for that in your back office, and I'm not going to go into all that right now. Okay, so when you save it, you save, if it's 3 words you're saving, okay, you want to make sure you have at least 3 to 4 names, at the least 3, okay, and between each word you want to put that dash, okay. So again, I have it on the computer again, and it's saved as backlist dash canister dash vacuum. Now here's where the problem comes in. When you save your file, okay, and I'm going to take this out here and show you. I'm going to put backlist. You can see I already have it there, so the system is showing that I already have it in there. Canister dash vacuum. Vacuum. Let me spell it right, I'll be alright. Vacuum. Okay, so right here is where the problem comes in. Okay, some people will put a space in between there, put their dot and the JPEG like the training shows you. Okay, you need to have that extension on the back, .jpg. But instead of you doing that, you're putting a space here, and you don't need to put a space there. That's where your problem comes in when you try to upload it to the Image Scrambler in your back office. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of this and take you back over to the back office, and we're going to go through the process. So I'm going to go here, since it's already saved on my computer. I'm going to go to automation, okay, and there's 2 places that you can find that, and the Image Scrambler will be under model 16, okay, and I'm not sure how long that'll be there, but we have the new link now. There's the Image Scrambler right here, okay, and your title bill is right there also. So we're going to go back here, and you should see this automation link right here, okay, and I'm going to scroll down. Again, there's the image title, title builder, correction, and your Image Scrambler is here. So I'm going to select that. Now you're going to choose your file, okay, which should already be on your computer. And remember, the key is how you put that title of your how you name that image on your computer once you save it from Amazon. Okay, again, it's backlist dash canister dash vacuum period JPEG, okay, and that's very important. That's why you will get an error message in there. So if that's happening, you can feel free to go back and rename the file right from your computer, and I'll show you that at the end how you go back and rename it. Okay, but that's how you want to save it. Don't put no spaces in between there, because that's why the image scrambler does not recognize it, so it'll reject it. Okay, so I'm going to select that, open, there's the file right there, vacuum.jpg. Okay, right here you're going to go ahead and give it a name. I usually use this Hebrew 1036 as my watermark on my pictures. Okay, you can name it whatever you want to name it. Okay, it just identifies the pictures as yours, and right here it tells you where that watermark should appear, and you can select either the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Okay, I like to put it on the left hand side for whatever reason, so I'm going to go ahead and submit that. Okay, and there's your image. Okay, and now from here you want to select the corner, and usually I'm pretty good at grabbing it, and you have to feel it out. You can see the big square right here. Usually if you click anywhere in the area, you should, on the left hand side here, you should be able to grab it. This is adjustable too, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it down, pull it up, and what it does, it just adjusts your image to the eBay standard of 500 pixels. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, once you have cropped that picture to size that you want. I mean, some people will probably take out a lot of that white out of there, but I believe it would shorten the size of your picture. So I always like to take it out as far as possible. Being a web designer, I tend to hate too much white space around my images. But anyway, once you do that, you come down here and you crop that image. Okay, and there's your image, and my watermark's shown right there. Okay, so right now all you have to do from here is right click, save that image, and you can scroll here, and all the people has different ways they go back and find the same file, but I'll show you how I basically do it. I go back and I like to look at the image and make sure I have the correct image going. Okay, so I'll just select that image. Okay, and I'll say save. Okay, and there it is. Okay, now this little pop-up here is asking you to confirm that's how you want to save it. Okay, now there's another image on the computer that's the same image, and it's asking you, it's telling you that that image is there already, and do you want to replace that image? I'd say yes. Okay, I'll say yes to this point because it's a fresh new image you have right here, and since I already have it on my computer, I will not save it again. But the fresh image that you have right here is the one you want to save. I mean, you first download it to your computer from Amazon, and it's fresh. Okay, it's new. You haven't cropped it yet. So once you get into the image scrambler and select the image off your files, and then you crop the image and save it again, it will ask you to replace the old image, so you will say yes. Okay, I'm not going to do that because I already have it there. Alright, so we're going to do that. I'm just going to say no, and I'll cancel here, and you'll just save that image. Once you crop it and save it, and when the window pop up and asking you if you want to replace that image, you say yes. Okay, and that's all there is to that. Okay, and from here on you can just go down here and do it again. You just choose your file, which will be another picture, and I usually like to grab a lot of my images one shot. You might have several images that you want to do. You just come back in here and choose your file again and repeat the same process. You know, come in here and put your watermark in there, in whatever position you want to put it. Okay, so from here on in, it's rather simple. So just remember, the key thing is naming your file, that your file does not have a space in between it. Okay, when you save this image, you want to make sure that you're not putting a space between the last word and the period or the JPEG. Alright guys, well, I thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like on the bottom, and if you really like it, please share it with those that you know might benefit from using it. Alright, if you have any more questions, please put it at the bottom of this video in the comment section, and I will save a link on the bottom also to show you if you're not a part of DSD and you would like to know how you can get this training on uploading images or find out more information of the DSD business and training. Feel free to click on the link below. Okay, well, I thank you for watching and appreciate it. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.